Hello my friends, it's Kim again. I had made mayonnaise in one of my other videos, and I really wanted to show you how quick and easy it is, in case you didn't get to see that in that video. We'll do it like live right now. So I have an egg yolk, and I like to use the half-pint jars. It just makes it easier with my stick blender. I'm going to add a dash of salt, not a lot, just a dash. I'm going to add, now you can base this on your liking and the type that you're using. You need 2 teaspoons of an acid, whether it be lemon juice, vinegar. This is apple cider vinegar. You could use a little bit more if you want. And then I like to add in a little bit of mustard. It adds flavor. Oh, almost out too. It adds flavor and it helps everything to emulsify a little bit. So the next step I'm going to do just to get it mixed together a little bit is to whip my egg yolk just a tad. And that's all I need to do. Now I can just simply add in up to 3/4 of a cup of oil. It's going to depend on, how thick you want it. So let's stream this in. Starting to come together. That is it. That is my mayonnaise. Now it's yellow because of the mustard and the vinegar. I'm going to set this in here because I can scrape that off and use it. And there is my mayonnaise. So you can pour the oil straight in there and then emulsify it. Sometimes it takes a lot longer. Either way you could do it and it works out just great. So there you go. Make your own mayonnaise. You control the ingredients. Look at what's on the label of some of that stuff you buy. You could use avocado oil in here, grapeseed oil. If you want to use canola oil, that's fine. But you control what goes into this. It's 1 egg yolk, a little bit of vinegar, and some oil. So there you go. That's the whole recipe. I hope you enjoyed and have a wonderful day.